Hey everyone, Varun here once again from Language Academy, and I have got Pallavi with me, who has recently cleared her PTE exam very first attempt, and she has scored 86 overall with 19 speaking, 89 in listening, 87 in writing and 82 in reading. A great score, overall 86 in the very first attempt, 20 points towards her permanent residency. And the very first thing about her is that she is still on student visa. She was applying for her temporary residence TR, for which you only require 6 each, and you are already cleared it with 8 each, and you are on your way to permanent residency. How does that feel, Pallavi?
Uh, it feels like very amazing. I am very happy that I only need 6 points just for my TR, but I have got as many points that I can apply for my PR directly.
That's right, Pallavi. And this was your very first time, and it's very rare someone who is taking the exam for the very first time clears it with 8 each and 86 overall with 9 bands in 3 of the modules. What do you think? How was your experience, and what this exam is primarily based on? Is that your English skills, or you need to understand the exam structure or marking criteria? What do you think is the most important thing for this particular exam?
I think if any student is in Australia, they must know English, or they will definitely know. But for this exam, one of the prime thing is knowing the strategy, how various questions are structured and how we have to attempt it. So I think strategy is one of the important thing that one must consider before this exam.
That's right, guys. It's very important to know how everything works and what are the type of questions and how questions will contribute from one section to another, and what strategies and what approach you have to use for each particular task. And that is how you will get 86 overall like she did. And let's move on to your listening. 89 in listening, one of the module a lot of students do struggle. What do you think is the most important for your listening section?
I think the most important thing is having a lot of concentration, because you can only score if you will listen attentively. So my thing, like what I did was doing meditation. I really meditated before the exam so that I can concentrate a lot on the listening section.
That's right, guys. It's very important to focus on your listening section, because once the audio is gone, you can't really play it back, and you have to give your 110% during the time the audio is going on. Very important you focus properly, understand properly each and everything, and you will get 9 bands in listening as well. Let's move on your writing. 9 bands in writing as well. What do you think? How did you approach your writing section, and how students out there they should approach their writing section to get a score like you did?
Oh, thank you so much. So I think the strategy to attempt the exam, like summarize written text, right? Summarize written text and essay. So I thought the strategies which Language Academy taught me, and the template of the essay that was given, and with a bit of practice, I was able to achieve this.
That's right, guys. It's very important to know the strategies and tricks you can say, but if you don't really practice on those strategies, if you think that yes, I know the strategy, I don't really need to practice, you're not going to get the score, because you may know a strategy but you may not know how to implement it, and if you are implementing it right, then only you will score it. Any final piece of advice for students who are preparing for their PT exam will be how they should approach their exam, what things they need to keep in their mind so that they can crack the exam like you did?
I think the first thing is strategy. Everyone should know what are the various kind of questions and how to attempt those. And second thing is practice, because for reading and listening, time management is must. So I think with some kind of practice, one can achieve score like me.
That's right, guys. So it's very important to practice and know in and outs of the exam before you go for your exam, and that is how you will crack your exam. Practice hard, stay focused, concentrate properly, and you will be able to get a score like she did. That's it, guys, from this video. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Thanks, guys.